welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to cook pancit. I'm actually going to use Bihon and Canton. This is also a famous dish in the Philippines. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the ingredients that we're going to use is chopped onion, chopped garlic. I also have meat here that's already boiled and you have to save the broth. I boiled it for 10 minutes in 3 cups of water. So I have the boiled pork, I have the boiled chicken. This is actually chicken thigh and I included the bone. And I have some few pieces of shrimp. I have cabbage. I have green beans sliced thinly like this. I have the shredded carrots because it saves me time chopping the carrots. I have celery stalks. And I also saved the celery leaves for garnishing later, but it's better to use kinchay since I don't have kinchay around where I live. I'm going to use the celery leaves for garnishing. Of course, I'm going to use oyster sauce, some cooking oil, ground black pepper, soy sauce, and the fish sauce is optional. You can also use salt. And of course, we need the bihon and the canton. I bought this at Stop grocery store. This is a Filipino store, and I think you can also find these to any Asian store, Asian supermarket. So this is bihon or cornstarch sticks. This is flour stick, which is canton. So this is bihon canton. Pancit bihon canton. We're also going to use ginisa mix for seasoning since I don't have the shrimp broth cubes. I'm going to use the flavored seasoning mix. And of course the meat broth that we used a while ago. So let's go and start cooking. Then we're gonna add in our ginisa mix, ground black pepper, now we can add our vegetable, and then we're gonna add our oyster sauce. Okay, that's about it. And we're gonna add half a cup of soy sauce. And then we're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. So now we're gonna put it aside. Okay? And then we're gonna add in our broth. Then we're gonna remove the vegetable. And then we're gonna put our pancit. And we're gonna add in our canton. Now we're gonna add the meat back. And lastly, I'm gonna add some patis or fish sauce. Product, this is our Pancit Bihon and Canton Guisado. It tastes good with squeezed lemon. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. If you'd like to see more of my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications button.